Yeah, this is how I made it. You just go first the web and then you download this one. I already downloaded here, as you can see. Then you go to the Excel, then blank workbook, then you go to data here. The data you go here, get data. When you open this one, you go to from database and then you go Microsoft Access here. You go to the document I already put on the desktop here, North Wine, import it. So you choose customers, not the customer extended. You go down here. Here is the customers. It will show you preview. So you transform data. So when you come here, you go the upper left here, close and load the data. So it will load the data to here. So I close this one. So you go here, number 1 ID, and then you right click, go to sorting, go to sort largest to smallest, then go to here, choose this one, and then go to status here, city, then open here, deselect all, go down to Seattle. Okay, here it's ready for you. So you go file and then you save it, give whatever name you want it. So I will put on desktop, save it. So the file is here, so you can send it to him. That's it. Thank you.